Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from Cloudflare CDN to Fastly, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring from Cloudflare CDN to Fastly, first, sign into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard where your website is listed. Next, access the DNS settings for your domain. Document all DNS records, including a name and any subdomains. Once you have all the records noted, sign up for a Fastly account. After signing into your Fastly account, create a new service. Enter your domain name in the appropriate field when prompted. Configure your service settings according to your website's needs. Now, you will need to set up your origin server under the origin settings. Input the IP address or hostname of your server. Next, set the appropriate backend settings for your service. Once your service is configured, proceed to the version control section. Activate your service version to prepare it for live traffic. Fastly will provide you with a new set of DNS records. Return to your Cloudflare account and update the DNS records with the Fastly information. Once the changes are saved, allow some time for DNS propagation. Next, test your website to ensure it's being served through Fastly. Monitor the Fastly dashboard for any potential issues or performance metrics. If everything is functioning correctly, consider disabling Cloudflare services. You can do this by turning off the proxy feature in Cloudflare for your domain. After verifying that Fastly is working properly, you are now successfully transitioned. Continue to optimize your Fastly configuration based on your website's performance needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.